Today, we'll be doing a one-of-a-kind unboxing video. You see, we've intercepted your internet traffic. Sorry about that, but it's for a good cause. And we place it inside these two boxes. Now, let's see how your traffic looks like when you use a free VPN service. Ooh. Look at this, it says I won $1 million, but in order to claim it, I have to buy soap. All right, so you get ads. You get a lot of ads. Because that is how free VPNs make their money. Of course, you also get, oh look, more ads. You also get an unreliable connection. Free VPNs have to deal with more traffic, and that means slower speed and more connection drops. And finally, it's a photo of your cat, Mr. Snuffles. How did this get into our hands? You see, free VPNs may track your traffic, store your data, and sell it to advertisers or third parties. That would never happen with NordVPN, since we stick to a strict no logs policy which was audited and confirmed by a Big 4 auditor. NordVPN is a paid service, so it has servers all around the globe, zero ads, and vastly better connection and speed. But I'm getting ahead of myself. Let's open the box. NordVPN also has military-grade encryption, meaning if anyone intercepts your traffic, they're not going to be able to make sense of its contents. All they're going to get is encrypted gibberish. Stay safe. To learn more, subscribe to the NordVPN YouTube channel.